Okay, so let's talk about starting a business. Imagine having a co-founder who is an absolute genius strategist, a world-class creative, and a tech wizard, all rolled into one. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're going to break down how a brand new wave of AI from Google is pretty much making that exact scenario a reality for anyone.
I mean, that's the big question, isn't it? It's the classic roadblock for any entrepreneur. You've got this incredible idea, but then you look up and see this just mountain of work in front of you. You need a plan, you need a team, you need the tools. It can feel like you're trying to build a skyscraper with your bare hands. Well, what if I told you the answer to that question is a huge, resounding yes? Because Google has just dropped a whole suite of AI tools that are specifically designed to be your personal business partner, taking you from that very first spark of an idea all the way to getting your first customer. So let's start where every great business starts, the plan. You gotta have a solid blueprint, and this is where your new AI business strategist comes into play. Meet Notebook LM. Think of this as your own personal research assistant. You can feed it pretty much anything, articles, links, even YouTube videos, and it digests all of that and turns it into a personalized guide. Then you can literally have a conversation with your research to build out your entire strategy.
And the process is almost laughably simple. You just give it your source material, then you start asking it questions. Just like you're brainstorming with a mentor. And what you get back is a custom-built, step-by-step plan that is tailored specifically to your idea. And listen, we are not talking about some vague two-page outline here. This stuff it can generate is incredibly detailed. It can give you ideal ebook titles, a full branding and positioning strategy, step-by-step checklists. It'll even write prompts to help you build your website and create custom mini courses and infographics. All of this in just a matter of minutes. It's wild.
All right, so you've got the master plan. Now it's time for the fun part, actually building the thing. We're moving from strategist to doer. Let's look at how AI becomes your dedicated creative and tech team. First up, market research. You know the old way, right? Just hours and hours, maybe even days of painful manual Google searching. Well, the new way is you just ask Google's Gemini to spin up an interactive dashboard that shows you exactly what the market trends are. And this isn't just theory. Gemini can crunch its insane amount of data to basically give you a peek into the future. For instance, it's already predicting that digital products are going to be a massive opportunity in 2026. I mean, that's the kind of intel that can give you a serious edge. Okay, next up, visuals. Instead of trying to hire a graphic designer you can afford or just wrestling with some complicated software for hours, you've got Nano Banana. It's basically your on-demand designer that creates amazing, professional-looking images from just a simple sentence. But here's the really cool part, what makes it so versatile. You can create totally new images from scratch, or you can take a screenshot of a design you like out in the wild, and the AI will adapt it to fit your own brand. So think about it. You see a competitor's ad you love? You can have your own version of it in minutes. Now for the tech side of things. Building a custom tool for your website, like a calculator or a quiz, that used to be super complex and expensive. Well, say hello to AI Studio. It's your no-code developer that can build a fully functional web app from, get this, a screenshot and a prompt. This quote from the source material really just nails it. Think about that for a second. Something that would have cost you thousands of dollars and weeks of work with a web developer, you can now do yourself with a simple prompt. That's a complete game changer for making web development accessible. And the process is just so simple. So let's say you want to add an Instagram caption generator to your site. You just find one you like and take a screenshot. Then you tell the AI what you want it to do. And boom, it generates the code for you. You just copy and paste it right onto your website. It's that easy. So you've got the plan, you've built your online home. Now we get to the final, and maybe the most important step. How do you get people to actually show up? How do you find those first customers? Let me just start with a number for you. Over 100 million. That's how many people are already using Google's new AI-powered search in just the US and India. And they're now rolling it out to 180 countries. This isn't some far-off future trend. This is a huge, active audience that exists right now. So what does that giant number mean for you? It means your next customers, they're already on this platform. They're actively searching for the exact solutions and products that you are creating, all inside this new AI environment. See, getting your site featured in Google's AI mode is like discovering a brand new continent for finding customers. It's a new frontier. The AI loves to surface these really specific niche websites and digital products right in its answers, and that drives super relevant organic traffic straight to your door. The trick is creating really useful, valuable content that directly answers what people are asking. We've seen real solopreneurs do this, like a site with a simple digital planner that now gets close to 100,000 visits every single month, for free. So let's just put it all together. This is your AI solopreneur toolkit. You've got Notebook LM as your planner, Gemini as your researcher, Nano Banana as your designer, AI Studio as your developer, and Google's AI Mode as your marketing engine. It's the whole shebang, a complete end-to-end system for building a one-person business from the ground up. Look, the technology is officially here. The path from just an idea in your head to a full-blown launch has never been this clear or this accessible. You literally have the blueprint and the AI-powered team right at your fingertips. So the only question left to ask is, what are you going to build?